Today we will search about this one. I will show you something about Huston Maritime attorney. First of all, we will see what is Huston Maritime attorney. So we'll see these websites. Here, Huston Maritime attorney. Just like any other industry, seamen are at risk for suffering work-related injuries at any time. There are on the clock. The courts recognize this and are continuously working on protect injuries seamen through general maritime law. So the main fundamentals of this one, the following acts are fundamental to maritime law: Jones Act, Death on the High Seas Act, Limitation of Liability Act, and Harbor Working Compensation Act. General maritime law is the basis for all injuries sustained by seamen. It is important to have comprehensive understanding of the general law before delving into the subsequent acts. So here, free maritime cases review. If you want to review any about your maritime case, you will submit here all your information like first name, last name, email, phone numbers, and also are you a new client. If you are a new client, then you will show you here, and also you write down your case type and tell us what about you happening. It means you will tell everything about your happening. So you send message. So here something, check results, case results. $8 billion, top 3 large jury verdict in US history. If you want to see all the results, you can will visit this website. Its name arnolditkin.com. This is the best website about this one. You will see. And if you want any about Huston Maritime attorney, so you can search here about. So first of all, the main fundamentals, we will see the first fundamental, Jones Act. So we will click Jones Act. Worker in the seamen maritime is a high risk occupation. Heavy loads, large equipment, seaworthiness, and difficult condition can all contribute to an elevated risk of offshore industry. So if you are experienced in offshore industry, contact our Texas Jones. Here these websites give his phone numbers also to his clients if you want to contact these. What is Jones Act? The main definition of Jones Act. The Jones Act, formerly known as the Merchant Marine Act of 1920, is a specific protection under admiralty law that provides for any US citizens working as a seaman who suffer injury and illness due to unseaworthiness or negligence aboard a vessel operating in a navigable water. This situation governs maritime commerce transported between US ports. In condition, the Jones Act affords several key previous specifically benefiting the maritime employees. Here are all the definition of Jones Act. Jones Act settlements account include compensation for lost wages, loss of future earning capacity, pain, suffering and deficiencies, mental aggression, medical care, cost of living, recovery. This is the main things of Jones Act settlement. Also, the three more fundamental of maritime laws, you can also visit this one. So we will visit second one, death on the high seas. The main definition of when a maritime employee irresponsibility or negligence leads to the death of a worker, the worker family can file for compensation under the death of the high seas acts. It means if any employee die due to work or due to any heavy loads, so his family can file a case under the death on the high seas act. Employees can on offshore sites face dangerous including the responsibility of failing overboard, exposure to foams in enclosed spaces, chemical burns, power electrical shocks, explosion of machinery, piracy, all of this one including. So if you want to visit about Houston Maritime Attorney, you can visit these websites. Thank you so much.